Hello humans. That's me, Whalou. I'm a humpback whale and I'm 2 months old. I was born here in La Réunion. And that's my cousin, she's 2 days old. She's still white and will get more color in a few days. We gain 100 kilo per day eating mom's milk. That's my mom with me. You see how big she is? She's 17 meters long and weighs 40 tons. Mom and I love to dance together. And she teaches me how to jump. Hey, you're very small and you don't swim very fast. Oh, it's the start of the courtship ritual. It will last up to 3 days. The big male will show who's the strongest. They will race, bump into each other, jump, and at the end, the strongest will be my aunt boyfriend. Mom and I will look at it from far away. I love it here. It's warm and Mom let me come see you. We can hug each other all day long. To breathe, we have to blow out the water and it can go super high. For me, not so high, but still high. Mom and I, we always have a bodyguard that makes sure everything is okay. Look, he's jumping to get rid of his parasite. Wow, he's so strong. It's almost time to go. I'm warming my fins. We're going to the Southern Ocean. Our hair is very cold out there, but we can eat krill all day long. Oh, Mama is in a hurry. It's time to go. Bye bye, see you next year.